So here's our challenge today. Welcome back to my channel Math Brain, and I give 99% that you solve this question absolutely wrong. We have 7 times 7 divided by 7 times 7. So it looks like the pretty easy challenge. Everyone can solve this challenge easily. Step-by-step explanation. Yeah, we have this option A, B, and C. So choose one option. What do you think is the correct answer? And write your option down into the comment section. Let's check our school knowledge, because a lot of students say this is the easiest challenge, I can easily solve it, but in the same way, a lot of students do this common mistake. So in this video, I'm going to fully explain you how can you do this correctly and step by step. First of all, I want to start with this first interpretation right here. So we have 7 times 7 divided by 7 and times 7. So here's our challenge. And obviously right here, a lot of students start with this multiplication, because they say from left to right, yeah, we have 7 times 7, which is equal to 49. And we have the same expression right here. So 7 times 7, which is equal to 49. With this division in the middle, 49 divided by 49 equal to 1. This is option A. So a lot of students solve this question like that. They say that, okay, this is a correct solution. We just solved this challenge absolutely correctly. And of course, I want you to know that in math, or not like in math, we should know what is the correct property, correct law, correct rule, what is the correct method to solve challenges. And it not works only in math, in biology, in chemistry, and wherever we have like science, it works in their own approach. So in terms of math, because we have math problem, yeah, it works like that. So we should know what is the correct order to do this problem, because we can't solve our challenges randomly. We can't solve our challenges with two solutions, because right here, obviously, whatever order of operation we select is going to create a different answer, right? So we need to understand what is the correct order to do this problem, because just agree with me, this is really weird when we have two answers. This is the weirdest thing in terms of math. We should have like one and only one correct solution. So for this explanation, let's look, for example, at this PEMDAS order of operation. This is the most popular order of operation in the world. All internet libraries, scientific graphing calculator works according to this PEMDAS order of operation. And let's look at this PEMDAS order of operation. So the first step, so the highest priority has parentheses. So first we should evaluate the expression inside parentheses, brackets. Next we should evaluate our exponents. So maybe you have 2 squares, 3 squares, 7 squares, yeah. Next we should evaluate multiplication, division group, and the last step is addition and subtraction group. So right now let's rewrite this challenge and let's solve this challenge according to this PEMDAS order of operation. Okay, so let's look at it. So what elements do we have in our challenge? We have multiplication and we have division. So multiplication we have right here, division we have right here. And moreover, we don't have addition. We can easily reject this step because we don't have it. We don't have any of those steps. We don't have parentheses. We don't have exponent. We don't have addition. We don't have subtraction. We have only multiplication and division group. And what is the correct order according to PEMDAS? Because as I told before, randomly order, this is really a bad thing. And according to PEMDAS, multiplication division has the same priority. So we should scan what is the first sign from left to right. Doesn't matter what it will be. Multiplication, division. So in this case, the first sign from left to right is this multiplication. So we should multiply 7 times 7, which is equal to 49. Next, just to write this challenge, just to write this expression, what we still have, yeah, we still have divided by 7 and times 7. Okay, and right here, if you look closely, we had completely the same step before. We multiplied 7 times 7, but in this approach, we should scan what is the first sign from left to right once more. So 49 divided by 7, this is our next step, because the first sign from left to right now, so left hand side, right hand side, is this division. So we have 49 divided by 7 equal to 7. And with this multiplication by 7 as our last step, which is equal to 49, which is option C. So we have this 49, but what is the correct answer? Because a lot of students confused. One part of student tell correct answer is 1, another part 49, and it turns into a big argument, students arguing with each other about the correct answer. And of course, here's my explanation. Let's look at this first interpretation. This is very bad interpretation, because multiplication, then this multiplication, this is very bad approach in terms of math, because we should know about order of operation, and multiplication division have the same priority. So it tells us a lot. We can't jump from left to right. We can't do whatever we want. We can't solve our challenges randomly. So forget about this solution. If you want to get this solution correct, your question should look like that, with this multiplication sign right here, with this parentheses. Next we should evaluate parentheses 49. Next we should evaluate this parentheses 49. So with this 49, okay, with parentheses, correct answer is 1. But in our case, we don't have parentheses. So forget about this option A, which is really bad mistake, and maybe 90% solve this question like that with this mistake, which is really bad. Just look at this solution. Multiplication division have the same priority, so from left to right hand side, multiplication, division, multiplication, and we have this 49. Obviously, really great math trick right here, because multiplication by 7 right here and division by 7 right here gives us 1. It changed nothing for us. It looks like 7 plus 7 minus 7 plus 5 minus 5 times 2 divided by 2. So in this way we can easily cancel this expression in the middle. We have 7, we have times 7, which is equal to 49, which is 49. Okay, so here's my explanation to this challenge. You can also check this answer in your scientific or graphing calculator, but don't use a regular calculator, because sometimes happen that calculators work with problem as you type it in. So try to find a calculator where you can plug in the whole entire problem, and then your calculator is smart enough to know about order of operation. Then your calculator look at this multiplication division group, and the calculators know what is the correct order to do this problem. So here's my explanation. I hope you learned something new, but definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong. If you need help with any of these classes, I have a lot of videos on my YouTube channel. So with that being said, see you in the next videos and have a great day.